This video will show you how to put together a slipper. First, your team will make 2 slipper bases out of thin cardboard. To do this, trace your foot with some extra space around it. The extra space gives you room to attach slipper materials. Take one of the slipper bases and use double-sided tape to attach the insole. The insole material can be taped directly onto the slipper base. Now you are ready to build the upper part of your slipper. When building the upper, you can use a sock stuffed with paper to model a foot. Stuff the sock with crunched up newspaper or scrap paper and shape it to be about the same size and shape as a foot. To build the upper part of your slipper, put the model foot on top of the insole, drape the fabric you chose for your upper around it, and attach the fabric to the underside of the cardboard. On the other slipper base, use double-sided tape to attach your outsole materials. Finally, you can tape the 2 slipper bases together, one with the insole and upper, and one with the outsole, like making a slipper sandwich. Now your first slipper design is complete and ready for testing. Why use double-sided tape to attach your first slipper design? One reason is so you can easily take your slipper apart and use the outsole at the traction test station. You could also do your traction testing before adhering your outsole to your insole. Another reason to use double-sided tape is that it will allow you to easily iterate on your design. You can take it apart, modify something based on test results, and put it back together again. After iteration, when your slipper design is finalized, ask your teacher if you can use hot glue to permanently attach it together.